everyone. Today let's learn the story of the unbreakable spirit. In a quiet village nestled between lush green hills lived a young boy named Aryan. He was known for his unwavering determination and kind heart. Aryan's family was poor, but his mother always told him, "Son, wealth is not measured in gold, but in the strength of your spirit." Aryan dreams of becoming a scholar, but his circumstances made it difficult. He had to walk miles every day to a nearby town just to borrow books. He would sit under an old banyan tree and read for hours, often losing track of time. One day, as he was returning home, he saw a group of villagers gathered around an elderly man. The man, an esteemed scholar, had been traveling through the village when he is carrying a broken down. The villagers, though kind, could not understand his learned words. Aryan stepped forward and respectfully greeted him. "Sir, may I be of any assistance?" he asked. I was surprised by the boy's confidence. "I seek someone who can help me communicate with the villagers," he said. Aryan, despite his young age, translated the scholar's words effortlessly. Impressed, the scholar inquired about Aryan's education and dreams. "I wish to learn, but I have no means to do so," Aryan admitted. The scholar saw the spark in Aryan's eyes and decided to help him. "Come with me to the city. I will ensure you get an education," he offered. Aryan hesitated. His mother needed him, and his village was his home. But his mother, upon hearing the scholar's offer, said, "Go, my son. Knowledge will be your greatest weapon in life." With a heavy heart yet awful spirit, Aryan left for the city. He studied diligently, worked hard, and eventually became a respected scholar himself. Years later, he returned to his village, not as a poor boy who once borrowed books, but as a man ready to give back. He established a school in his village, ensuring that no child had to struggle for education like he once said. He taught the children that true success lies in perseverance, kindness, and an unbreakable spirit. The moral of the story: true determination and perseverance can break any barrier. Education is the key to change, and kindness paves the way to success.